What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. We got another Q&A from Mr. Darrell here, talking about restoring mobile headlights. And guys, I used to do this 15 years ago, before they came out with the polishes and the little kits that you see in O'Reilly's or AutoZone and stuff like that. I used to basically just sand them and buff them, or sand them and clear them, right? They look brand new again. I actually started doing this because when I was flipping cars, I just wanted a way to make the front look better. Because once you turn your dingy old headlights to like night, it changes the whole face of the car, makes it look so much newer. And that was like one of my big value add secrets that I used to use for a very, very long time. Now they got people. I was probably one of the guys who invented the damn thing. But anyway, I have a question for you, Tony. I'm looking at restoring headlights and applying UV resistant clear coating on them after restored for UV protection. Good. I would like to be mobile, so I want to set up something small and easy to carry around. I'm thinking of getting a Porter Cable compressor. I opened that link up for you guys. I would like to pair it with a good mini spray gun that would not have too wide of a spray pattern, have minimal overspray, one that would give me shiny glass-like finish on the headlights. Now the compressor is 6 gallon, 150 psi. Let's see what you got here. So this is your little pancake compressor. I know exactly which one this is. My neighbor has one, and I've seen him use it. It's a good little compressor. I think this'll do it. This'll do it because you're painting such small areas. So this will be fine. Totally fine. 2.6. Listen, you're only going to be spraying like at 25, 26 psi. So you're going to have enough volume, and I wouldn't worry about it because you're painting such a small like lens at a time. You're going to be able to do it with this. I promise you, you're going to be able to do it. As far as a spray gun, I would highly recommend the Atom X16 spray gun over at Zula.com. This is a very, very good spray gun, and you can adjust the fan pattern from basically like 8 inches all the way down to 1 inch. Okay, and of course, if you narrow your spray pattern, you're going to have to lower down your pressure, because as you make your fan pattern narrower, it's going to shoot out at a higher pressure. So if you're spraying like at 5 inch fan pattern, I would think that would be about right, 5 or 6 inch for what you're doing there. Just make sure you're probably spraying at like 25, 26 psi. That'll be good for clear coat. All right. So yeah, definitely check this out. I'll leave a link down below on the video here on YouTube for you guys who are also interested. I've sprayed many gas tanks and door jambs, car parts with this gun with phenomenal results. All right, it's a high volume, low pressure minigun, and also getting a lot of good reviews on it. Okay, guys, so hopefully this answers your question. Yes, you can do everything you want with this pancake compressor. And again, I would recommend the Atom X16, Mini X16 spray gun. All right, talk to you soon, guys. If you're watching this video on YouTube mobile, all you got to do to learn more about auto body is click the top right of this video up here to get a free 85-page auto body guide. If you're on a desktop, click down below for more resources and links to get a free book, as well as more free training on auto body and paint. All right, you're going to end up go to a page like this to download your guide. It's an interactive guide, which means that there's a section where we talk about sanding. You click that, it's going to take you to a video that shows you sanding step by step. All right, and again, don't forget to check out VIP. I'm actually going to offer you a special one-time offer on the VIP program. It's phenomenal. You're going to love it. Okay. 100% guaranteed. If you don't like it, email us. We'll refund you every red cent back. It's not about the money. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I answered your question here. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys soon.